We are at the iPhone moment of AI. Startups are racing to build disruptive products and business models.
Over the past 3 decades, NVidia has solidified its presence as a dominant force in the gaming industry, its GeForce chips becoming the hallmark of immersive gaming experiences. Stay tuned as we unveil the captivating story of NVIDIA's evolution from gaming industry titan to AI juggernaut, a testament to the boundless possibilities that await at the intersection of gaming and artificial intelligence. Amidst the tumultuous currents of the tech industry, NVIDIA's transformative journey from its origins in graphics to its pioneering ventures in artificial intelligence marks a defining shift in the company's trajectory. While its initial forays into revolutionizing gaming laid the foundation for its ascendancy, it was NVIDIA's strategic pivot towards the realm of AI that truly redefined the contours of its technological prowess. The roots of this transformative shift lie in NVIDIA's astute recognition of the burgeoning potential of AI, heralding a seismic departure from its traditional focus on graphics processing. As the demand for computational power surged in the wake of emerging AI applications, NVIDIA recognized the opportunity to leverage its existing GPU architecture to spearhead advancements in parallel computing, an essential element in the burgeoning field of AI research. The integration of CUDA technology, a pioneering software toolkit designed to harness the parallel processing capability of GPUs, catapulted NVIDIA into the vanguard of the AI revolution. By enabling developers to leverage the immense computational power of GPUs for complex AI tasks, NVIDIA laid the groundwork for the transformative era defined by unprecedented breakthroughs in deep learning, data analysis, and cognitive computing. Through strategic collaborations and a steadfast commitment to fostering AI-driven innovation, NVIDIA cemented its position as a driving force behind the democratization of AI technology, democratizing access to powerful computing resources, and propelling the widespread adoption of AI-driven solutions across diverse industries. This strategic pivot not only positioned NVIDIA at the forefront of the AI landscape, but also underscored the company's visionary approach to technological evolution, encapsulating its innate ability to anticipate industry trends and adapt its capabilities to meet the demands of a rapidly evolving technological ecosystem. As NVIDIA continues to spearhead groundbreaking advancements at the intersection of graphics and AI, its journey serves as a testament to the transformative power of visionary leadership and the relentless pursuit of technological excellence. NVIDIA's trajectory, characterized by moments of unparalleled success and significant challenges, encapsulates the resilience and fortitude that define the company's enduring legacy. In its early years, the company grappled with the specter of bankruptcy, navigating a landscape fraught with fierce competition and uncertainty. However, it was these trials that galvanized NVIDIA's resolve, instilling within the company a spirit of unwavering determination and an unyielding commitment to innovation. Amidst the throes of adversity, NVIDIA's strategic foresight and unwavering dedication to GPU-driven computing emerged as the guiding beacons that illuminated the path towards its resurgence. By honing its focus on pioneering advancements in parallel computing and graphics processing, NVIDIA not only weathered the storm, but emerged as an industry trailblazer, setting the stage for its pivotal role in revolutionizing the gaming and AI landscapes. As NVIDIA's influence burgeoned, the company encountered new challenges, notably the complexities of the mobile phone market and the ebb and flow of cryptocurrency trends. While its ventures into the smartphone arena yielded mixed results, the company's resilience shone through as it swiftly recalibrated its focus, redirecting its energies towards the burgeoning fields of data centers, autonomous driving, and robotics. NVIDIA's indomitable spirit was further exemplified by its strategic collaborations and transformative partnerships, which fueled the company's metamorphosis into a global powerhouse at the vanguard of technological innovation. From its groundbreaking initiatives in healthcare, harnessing AI for accelerated drug discovery and precision medicine, to its forays into artistic realms, enabling unprecedented creative expression through AI-generated art, NVIDIA's journey is emblematic of the triumph of perseverance and the unwavering pursuit of excellence. Through the interplay of struggles and breakthroughs, NVIDIA not only transformed its own trajectory, but also reshaped the contours of the tech industry, heralding a new era defined by the convergence of gaming, AI, and cutting-edge technology. As the company continues to forge ahead, its resilience serves as a testament to the transformative power of unwavering determination and the enduring legacy of visionary leadership in an ever-evolving technological landscape. Amid the transformative impact of AI on diverse industries, NVIDIA remains steadfast in its commitment to ethical AI development, emphasizing the importance of authenticating content and mitigating the risks associated with deepfake technologies. As concerns mount regarding the potential misuse of AI-generated content, NVIDIA is at the forefront of advocating for safeguards and ethical frameworks that uphold the integrity of AI applications. NVIDIA's unwavering commitment to pioneering technological frontiers and reshaping the contours of the global technological landscape underscores the company's visionary approach to the future. With a multifaceted vision that transcends traditional boundaries, NVIDIA envisions a future defined by unprecedented advancements in AI, robotics, and computing, fostering a convergence of technologies that redefines the very essence of possibility. At the heart of NVIDIA's vision lies a steadfast dedication to fostering innovation across a spectrum of domain, from its groundbreaking ventures in autonomous driving technology to its transformative forays into data center CPUs. With initiatives such as the Grace Data Center CPU and the revolutionary Omniverse ecosystem, NVIDIA envisions a future where technology transcends limitations, empowering industries to unleash the full potential of AI-driven solutions and transformative computing capabilities. NVIDIA's commitment to driving innovation is not confined to a singular domain, but encompasses a diverse array of sectors, including gaming, healthcare, logistics, and beyond. Through strategic collaborations and visionary partnerships, NVIDIA aims to foster a global ecosystem that thrives on the transformative power of AI, ushering in an era of unparalleled technological advancement and groundbreaking discoveries that revolutionize the way industries operate and evolve. Central to NVIDIA's vision for the future is an unwavering commitment to responsible innovation, championing ethical AI development and fostering a culture of integrity and transparency. By upholding rigorous ethical standards and advocating for comprehensive regulatory frameworks, NVIDIA seeks to shape a future where technology not only drives innovation, but also serves as a force for positive societal transformation, enriching lives and empowering communities on a global scale. As NVIDIA continues to push the boundaries of what is possible, its vision for the future remains rooted in a steadfast commitment to transformative innovation, visionary leadership, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. By championing technological convergence and fostering a culture of responsible and ethical development, NVIDIA is poised to redefine the trajectory of the global technological landscape, shaping a future that is not only defined by technological advancements, but also by the transformative impact of visionary ingenuity and unwavering dedication to driving positive change on a global scale. NVIDIA's evolution from a gaming industry powerhouse to a vanguard of AI innovation epitomizes the spirit of resilience, adaptability, and visionary leadership that defines the company's enduring legacy. As it navigates the complexities of an ever-evolving technological landscape, NVIDIA remains committed to championing responsible innovation, driving transformative advancements, and shaping the future of computing. Join us on an enthralling journey through NVIDIA's transformative evolution, from a pioneering force in the gaming industry to a trailblazer at the forefront of AI innovation. Delve into the intricate tapestry of technological advancements, visionary leadership, and groundbreaking discoveries that define NVIDIA's enduring legacy in the annals of technological history. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest episodes as we unravel the captivating narrative of NVIDIA's transformative odyssey, showcasing the convergence of gaming, AI, and cutting-edge technology. Explore the transformative power of innovation, the resilience of visionary leadership, and the limitless possibilities that define NVIDIA's legacy in the global technological landscape.